Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are absolutely amazing. These keywords are ideal to be used for your 7 keyword slots, for your title or for your subtitle. We're going to talk further about these keywords and give you some ideas on how you can be able to stand out among the crowd. Now, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for daily videos like these, and also click on the bell icon in order to be informed whenever we post a video. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is letters to my baby. Letters to my baby is ideal to be used for the 7 keyword slots or for the subtitle. Why? Because of a couple of factors I'm going to talk about. Now, letters to my baby has a total results of 2,742, which is under 5,000, and that is also ideal. So we would like the total results to be under 5,000. When it comes to the bestseller rank, this is what's making me suggest that it would be best for the 7 keyword slots or for the subtitle, because of the higher bestseller rank of 715,300. Now, this does have potential, so I don't want to completely ignore this keyword or not share this keyword, because there is potential for sales and there is also potentials for expanding and sub-niching as well. We've also got the average reviews of 676 and the average price of $14.54. Now, you can get some lovely interiors on Creative Fabrica. I have a link for a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica that you can check out, where you'll be able to get interiors or cover ideas or graphics to use in your cover and interior for these kinds of books. Now, we also have a really strong keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 8 right over here, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Now, usually number 9 is the highest, so we're pretty happy with number 8 over here. So everything's all good except for the bestseller rank being on the higher end, which is best suggested to be utilizing this keyword for the 7 keyword slots or for the subtitle. Now, what you will be creating here is a journal type book where it features letters to my baby. So it could be, the cover could be letters to my baby, and inside the cover would be interiors where it's all lined sheets. That's one option. Another better option that I usually go for is to have prompts for each page. So you could have 50, 100, 200 prompts where there would be a cover, there would be this big book belongs to. You could also have an optional introduction if you want. And then you would go ahead and have lined sheets, and on top of each of the lined sheets there would be a prompt. Now, I've created an interior for this keyword. You can check it out in my Creative Fabrica store, and if you take advantage of the Creative Fabrica free trial, you can also get the interior completely for free. You can upload to Canva and make edits as you see necessary. Now, scrolling down, we do have a couple of books that are selling quite well as well under this keyword. Now, then again, we would like to ignore the books that are sponsored. This one has 16,000 as the best seller. Scrolling down, we've got 27,000. We've got a couple of other books as well. As you can see, lovely covers and very simplistic as well. This one is a letters to my daughter, but it's showing up under letters to my baby, and this is a great example of how you could utilize it for the 7 keyword slots. So with this book here, letters to my daughter, they've used letters to my baby for they've included it as one of the 7 keywords, and that's why it's ranking, and it's beautifully ranking at 41,609. This one's 68,908, so it's under 100,000, which is ideal, and it is letters to my baby girl as I watch you grow. Beautiful. Next up, we've got 80,000 as this one's 149,000 as well. So as you can see, beautiful books that are ranking quite well with consistent sales. Utilize this keyword, don't sleep on it. Check the link in the description for the interior. Now let's go ahead and talk about the second keyword for the day. The second keyword for the day is creative writing prompts for adults cards. Now, this is a great keyword. It has a total results under 5,000 or under 1,000 to be exact, and it is sitting at a total results of 140. We also have the average bestseller rank of 150,503 average reviews are 249, average price is $17.76. Absolutely amazing. Not only that, we have a strong keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro, which is the highest on the scale when it comes to keyword niche scores. Now, if you also check a couple of interiors that I've been adding to the Creative Fabrica page store linked in the description box below, you can see that I usually specialize in creative writing prompts, and then you can also see exactly how it's done. You can download the interiors, then again it will be available for you for free, linked in the description box below. Scrolling down, we've got a couple of other books as well that are ranking quite well. Some of them are physical, some of them are low content. Now, how you could be able to utilize this wonderful keyword is you won't be able to create physical cards like these, for example, but you still can be able to take advantage of Amazon and create your own low content cards. For example, you can create a book that is sized at 8.5 times 8.5 inches in Canva, and then around that each page would be one card, and then around that you could add in a cutout, the cutout graphic as a border, for example, or as a top one line border with this little scissors emoji. That would be great. So the person would be able to get the book. They would be able to either cut the cards out and stick them to cardboard paper, or use the little small pocket book like that as well. This one's has a bestseller rank of 65,000. This one's 80,000. Beautiful low content book. This one's 80,000, under 100,000 as a bestseller, and it is titled 5,000 writing prompts. Now, they've included this keyword creative writing prompts for adults cards in their 7 keyword slots, and that's why they're able to rank for this keyword. And it's making around 60 sales per month, generating around $126. Then again, 77 is the bestseller for this one, 94,000 is the bestseller. We've got a couple of other ones that are really good as well that are selling quite well under this keyword. Let's dive into the third and final keyword for the day. And our final keyword for the day is happy 70th birthday notebook tulips. Happy 70th birthday notebook tulips is one of the rare keywords nowadays that you can come across to do with notebook niche. Now, creating a notebook niche is really easy, as you know, but it seems to be oversaturated with all the notebook keywords being taken advantage of. But this one's a quite good one. It has a total results of 59, super low, bestseller rank under 300,000, and it's sitting at 233,768. We've got an average reviews of 303, average price of $9.50, and also a super strong keyword niche score of number 9 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a great niche. So what you're going to be creating here, you're going to be creating a notebook, but it's not like any other notebook. It's a specific type of notebook where the cover needs to be both a tulip theme, and it needs to be a happy birthday, happy 70th birthday. So make sure you add in the text right now as well, and make sure you create a couple, 2-3 varieties of that, one for male, one for female, for example, and make sure that it fulfills that tulip theme and is consistent with it as well. So let's have a look at some of the books under this keyword. As you can see, we've got a couple of others as well. We've got mostly cards that are ranking for this keyword, but try to take advantage of it. And also, if you have any tulip birthday themed books that are currently published in your Amazon portfolio, go ahead and add this wonderful keyword to the 7 keyword slots. Update it. It really does work. I do that regularly, maybe once or twice a month. I would go ahead and look at the books and update the 7 keywords for the top books as well, and it really gives it an updated feel, and it pushes it in the algorithm as well. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.